just wanted to do a review of this Z-Fowl. I think they call them a tall bottle, which holds, like I'll show you what I've got inside. But as you can see, it's quite compact, about the size of a bottle. I prefer that to having something. I did used to have something hanging from the seat, but I think it's better. So then you can put lights there on the seat post if you want. So I think it's well made. See, full. So I actually ordered the large one from Planet X, and so let's see if you can see it. I'll undo it for you. So this is the way it comes, is that if you order the large one, and you can undo it as well, that can screw on there. Also as well, it's got a bottom on it which can unscrew as well. So you can see, a bit difficult to do with one hand, but that's unscrewing, so that can be taken out. So I prefer it. I ordered it, the large one, just in case, but to be honest it looks a bit unsightly and it's not really needed. It's nice, I suppose, if you want to separate some stuff, but that's what I've got in there. Spare tube, the tool, gloves, spare chain link, and patches as well. So I think it's a really good product, Z-Fowl. Planet X, I think I paid, I can't remember, a couple of quid or something, but made in France. It's a good product. Hope that helps you. Look forward to your likes and comments. Let me know. Thanks.